mismatch. So today in this video I'm going to talk about a very important thing, that is collagen. So for a long time I was unaware of this thing called collagen, but when I got to know about it, I was literally shocked. So today in this video we are going to discuss about what is collagen, what are their benefits and uses in our body, and how can we intake collagen in externally. So to know about all these things in detail, you have to stay here till the end. So first question is, what is collagen? So collagen is a protein that is found in our skin. It is the most abundant protein and it is very important for our bones, skin, muscle, ligament. So even many of our body part has collagen, such as blood vessel, cornea, teeth. Not only that, our body itself produces collagen. So the next question is collagen important for our skin? The answer would be yes. The collagen is very important for our skin because 70% of our skin is made up of collagen. It is also a building block of our skin. So when we start losing collagen due to any factor such as aging, we start losing the elasticity of our skin and our skin start looking very dull. Since we know that 70% of our skin is made up of collagen, so the next question is, how can we take collagen externally to increase the amount of collagen in our body? So you can consume collagen in two forms, that is tablet and powder. I prefer powder and I use the HK Vital Skin Radiance Collagen. I prefer HK Vital Skin Radiance Collagen since it has the marine collagen. Marine collagen is the most effective collagen since it is known for its anti-aging properties. It helps you to delay the process of aging such as fine line, wrinkle, etc. It naturally replenishes the collagen level of your skin, reducing the fine line and wrinkles. Another reason to use HK Vital Skin Radiance Collagen is that not only it has marine collagen, it also has vitamin C, vitamin E and biotin. We all know the importance of vitamin C. It maintains the moisture level of your skin, making it soft, supple and radiant. Using this amazing product is very easy. You just need 100 ml of water, add 2 spoons of collagen and stir it and just drink it. Lastly, I would like to say you, everything needs time, so you also give this a time. At least use this for 3 months to see the benefits of this one. I can surely see the desired result I want, so I highly recommend this one to you guys. So what are you guys waiting? Go to their page hkvital.com and order this one right away. I will put all the details of this product in the description below, so do not forget to check that out. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it with your friends who need it. Till then, I will see you in my next video. Bye.